Hello guys, and welcome to the video series of the Solidworks tutorial for the beginners. In this video series, we will learn how to convert a 2D sketch into 3D entities. So just start with the part dimensioning. So select the part here. Now select the any of the plane. Here I am selecting the right plane. Whatever you can select it and sketch it. Here origin will be shown. Now we are drawing a hollow pipe. So select the circle and give the dimension of the 55 mm. Now you can go to the feature manager, select it, and go to the feature manager and use extruded boss or base. Just click on it. You will find that the part is converting into the from 2D sketch to 3D. Now you can give the how much length you want to extrude it. You can also drag from here, or you can also give the dimension from this one. Here are the some of option: sketch plane, surface, face or plane, and direction in the you can give the direction to both the direction, blind, up to the vertex. If any of the in a complex sketch is there, then they will be helpful for it. Okay, and here you can give the both the direction. So now it can be extruded from both the direction. It can be extruded from both the direction, from here and from here. And you can dimension it randomly. Here I am dimensioning 200 mm, direction 2, and in the direction 1 I want it as the 150 mm, so just take 150 mm. And there are the some of the more option, thin layer and etc. So just repeat it. What is the problem? Okay, direction 2. Okay, then just right click on it. So you can see the part is created. The part is created here. Now if you want to make a hole in the pipe, so just select it and sketch on that plane. Select the circle and draw a circle at the origin. I am here dimension it, giving the dimension of the radius of the 50 mm. Now again go to the feature and use the feature extruded boss or base. From here you can extrude in the other direction also. So I am extruding it up to the 100 mm and right. You will find that the part has created. You can see it from this is the right view, this is the front view, this is the top view, back view, this is the front view. So part is created here. Now if you want to make a hole through it, So just select this plane and sketch it. I am creating one more circle here at the center. Select circle and draw a circle of the 25. And now I am using the feature extruded cut. So the hole will be created to the, now select the blind through hole and select it. As you can see that the part is created and the whole of the 25 of the radius created using the extruded cut. So guys, for today it's enough. We have learned how to create a today's sketch and extrude it in the 3D shape, and how to extruded cut or extruded boss. So in the next video we will learn how to make the more complex part and how to color the dimension, how to personalize this library and etc. So thank you guys, and for more video subscribe our channel. Thank you.